AAUD for $100. I'm sure. As you can see, the candle also closed near the sell level. Let's see what happens. Currently, the trade isn't going in our favor, but there are still 29 seconds left. Okay, the candle reversed in the last second and I won my first trade. Now my balance has increased to $192. Let's look for a trade with $192. I'm trying to compound on GBP AUD again, but the candle has already reversed, so we'll avoid that. Let's find a trade on another asset. On GBP JPY, we have a signal for a downside move. I'm waiting for an entry near the sell level. The candle reversed, so we'll avoid that trade. We have a signal for a downside move, and I placed a trade for the downside move worth $192. As you can see, I got an entry near the sell level, and there's also a sell signal. That's why I took this trade. Currently, the trade isn't going in our favor, but let's see. The candle reversed, and now the trade is going in our favor. We still have 33 seconds left. The candle closed as a red candle, and there are only a few seconds left. I won the trade. Now my balance is at $316. Let's find a trade for $316. On CAD JPY, we have a signal for an upside move. I'm waiting for an entry. The candle reversed, so we'll avoid that. Let's find a trade on another asset. I'm coming back to CAD JPY. If I get an entry near the buy level, I can proceed with the upside move. The candle is trying to reverse from here, so I placed a trade for the upside move. Worth $316. On CAD JPY, there was an uptrend, and you can also see a buy signal. That's why I took this trade. A candle also gave us an entry near the buy level, and I already took the trade. Let's see how it goes. The candle reversed and became a green candle, and the trade is now going in our favor. We still have 13 seconds left. Only a few seconds left. And I won the trade. Now my balance is at $594. Let's find a trade for $594. We have a signal, but the candle already closes a red candle, so I place a trade for the downside move worth $594. This is a risky trade because the previous candle already closed as a red candle. Let's see how it goes. Currently, the trade isn't going in our favor, but we still have 34 seconds left. Okay, the candle came back and now the trade is going in our favor. We still have 25 seconds left. Only a few seconds left and it looks like a good win. Yes, I won it. Now my balance has turned into $1,099. Let's find a trade for $1,099. On GBP CAD, we have a signal for a downside move. So I placed the trade for the downside move on GBP CAD worth $1,099. As you can see, there's a sell signal, which is why I took the trade for the downside move. That trade is currently going in our favor and the candle also closed as a red candle. With only a few seconds left, I won another trade. Now my balance is $2,011. Let's find a trade for $2,011. On EURCAD, we have a signal for an upside move. I'm waiting for the entry. Okay, the candle reversed and became a green candle, so we'll avoid that trade. On EURUSD, we have a signal for an upside move. The candle has already turned into a green candle, but let's see. Okay, the next candle came back, became a red candle and gave us an entry near the buy level. I placed a trade for the upside move on EURUSD worth $2,011 from the buy level. As you can see, the candle also closed near the buy level, which is why I took the trade for the upside move. The trade is going in our favor right now, but we still have 10 seconds left. Only a few seconds left, and I won another trade. Now my balance is $3,862. Let's find a trade for $3,862. On EURCHF, we have a signal for a downside move. I placed the trade for the downside move on EURCHF worth $3,862. As you can see, there's a sell signal, and the candle also gave us an entry near the sell level. That's why I took this trade for the downside move. The trade is currently going in our favor right now. Exactly when I placed the trade, the candle reversed and went in our favor. Now the trade is not going in our favor, but the next candle will go in our favor due to the gap down opening, and I won another trade. Now my balance is $7,415. I won my last trade because of the gap down opening, but we'll stop here. As you can see, this indicator works in the real market too. In fact, it works much better in the real market compared to the OTC market. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment your thoughts about this indicator. If you've earned with the help of this indicator, comment down below. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.